Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the audio track in VLC Media Player. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to switch between languages, like English or Spanish on your videos, or even turn off the audio completely, all with just a few clicks. Whether you need to watch a movie in another language, focus on visuals without sound, or just want to understand how VLC works a bit better, you'll have the confidence to manage audio tracks like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have VLC Media Player open on your computer. If you've already got it installed, just double-click your video file and it should start playing in VLC automatically. If you don't have a video handy, you can grab any movie clip or recorded video. As long as it has multiple audio tracks, many films, DVDs, or downloaded series will have these as options. Once your video is playing, take a look at the top of the VLC window. You'll see several menus like Media, Playback, and the one we want today called Audio. Go ahead and click Audio. This is essentially VLC's command center for everything sound-related. The options here affect how you hear your media. When you open the audio menu, look for the entry named Audio Track about halfway down. Hover over this, and you'll see a list pop out to the side showing all available audio tracks for your file. These could be simple labels like Track 1 and Track 2, or more descriptive ones like English, Spanish, or even director's commentary. The labels depend on how your video was created or encoded. Now let's say you want to switch to Spanish. Just click on the Spanish track if it's listed and VLC will immediately make the switch. You might notice a short pause or the audio stuttering for a second. That's VLC changing the track and it's perfectly normal. If you don't hear a difference or the new audio doesn't match what you expected, double-check that the video file actually contains multiple tracks. Some older videos only have one sound track, in which case you won't see extra choices. Sometimes the wording can be a little vague. Maybe it says Track 1 and Track 2. If you're unsure which language is which, click each one briefly and listen for a change in voices or language. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. You can always switch back instantly. If you ever want to turn off the audio completely, maybe you're trying to focus on the visuals for a film project or you just want peace and quiet, you can select Disable from the same audio track menu. When you pick this option, VLC will mute the video's audio entirely while the video keeps playing as normal. That's really all there is to it. Changing the audio track in VLC is simple once you know where to look, but it can make a huge difference in how you experience your videos. Whether you're practicing a new language, sharing a movie with friends from different backgrounds, or editing video for a creative project, this is a handy skill to have. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up below. It honestly lets me know you're enjoying the content and helps others discover these tips. If you run into any trouble or have questions about VLC or anything else, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an easy how to like this one. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.